Today we're at S-Dai and we're checking out the features for the new Wicket machine. Now this machine has a lot of features. It includes servo-driven unwinding, multiple accessories for punching and sealing, and also an automatic conveyor system for collecting the bags. Today we're at the unwinding section of this Wicket machine. Now this is a particular machine that has shaftless servo-driven unwinding. Now what that means is your operator can simply load the material, it can sense the roll decreasing in size, and also knows when this roll is almost completely finished. Now the EPC system on this unit also keeps the edges perfectly aligned, and this entire unwinding system is built on a cast frame. And also, as you can see, it has linear guideways, so you have added reliability and precision built into this machine. This is the V-fold section. Now you can also see there's a gusseting attachment for added features for your bags, and you can see the dancing rollers. Now these will keep the tension of the V-folds so that they're perfectly aligned as they're being fed into the sealing section. Behind me, this is the sealing and punching section. Now there's a specialized double-side sealing unit that can produce these types of square-bottom toast bags. Now these components here for the punching section are also components from the U.S.'s leading supplier for converting equipment. You can see here this special double sealer can seal the bottoms, and they are separated after sealing, unlike other machines in the market. This is the wicketing section where bags are collected and stacked. This particular vacuum pump is also imported from the U.S. and is highly reliable. Bags are stacked neatly on the collecting pins, and operators can conveniently add bundle clips for easy packing of the bags. You can see this is the overall layout for this machine, from unwinding all the way to the stacking and collecting. If you need any more information, please contact S-Dai today.